YouTube aims to improve ad placement for better user experience. YouTube is set to introduce significant changes to its ad strategy starting May 12, aiming to enhance viewer experience while potentially increasing revenue for creators. The platform will implement a new feature designed to help creators optimize their mid-roll ad placements, suggesting natural break points instead of disruptive intervals. This initiative seeks to reduce interruptions during video playback, thereby encouraging viewers to stay engaged. The new feature offers creators more information and options to refine their ad strategies. By identifying less disruptive ad slots, YouTube hopes to improve the overall user experience and, consequently, boost the earnings of content creators. The company has observed that creators who utilize a combination of both automated and manual mid-roll ads have experienced an average revenue increase of over 5%. Reducing interruptions for better engagement. YouTube's initiative also aims to reduce the number of ads shown during moments that feel interruptive, which often lead viewers to abandon videos. Creators still retain control over their ad placements and can opt out of this feature via YouTube Studio if they prefer manual management. However, YouTube encourages those with manual mid-roll ads to consider allowing its systems to automatically identify suitable ad slots. You still control whether to show mid-roll ads in your videos and where you would like those ads to be shown. The platform will automatically update older videos uploaded before February 24 to include ad slots at natural breaks. This change intends not only to enhance viewer satisfaction but also to support creators in earning more from their content. By reducing interruptive ads, YouTube aims to help creators retain more viewers on their videos, thus improving engagement metrics. The strategic shift aligns with YouTube's commitment to providing a balanced ad experience. By minimizing disruptions, the platform aspires to maintain its audience's attention and foster a more seamless viewing journey. This move underscores YouTube's ongoing efforts to balance advertiser needs with user preferences.